Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be diving into one of the most innovative developments shaping the world of transportation, Intelligent Transportation Systems or ITS. We'll explore not only what they are, but also how they work to transform the way we move around cities and beyond. An intelligent transportation system is not just a fancy term, it's a revolutionary network of technologies and communication devices meticulously designed to enhance the safety, efficiency, and overall performance of the transportation networks. Picture it as a symphony of innovation orchestrating various modes of transportation to work together seamlessly. ITS deploys an arsenal of cutting edge tools such as traffic cameras, electronic road signs, and sensors, creating a sensory network that gathers real-time data on traffic flow, weather conditions, and road incidents. This wealth of information is then processed and harnessed to make informed decisions, allowing us to manage and control traffic dynamically. Now let's step into the nerve center of ITS, the control center. Here, the highly trained operators such as Mestros monitoring the transportation network and making real-time adjustments to optimize traffic flow. This includes dynamically changing traffic signals timing, managing lane use, and providing instant information to travelers, ensuring a smooth journey for everyone on the road. But the excitement doesn't stop here. ITS takes transportation to the next level with the integration of the connected vehicles and infrastructure. Imagine vehicles equipped with advanced communication system exchanging data seamlessly with traffic signals, road signs, and other vehicles. This connectivity not only ensures safe travel but also makes our journey more efficient and enjoyable. And guess what? ITS isn't confined to just roads. It extends to reach to public transportation systems such as buses, trains, and subways. By embracing advanced technology, public transit agencies can improve scheduling, reduce delays, and significantly enhance the overall passenger's experience. In conclusion, intelligent transportation systems are not merely changing the game, they are redefining the way to move from place to place. ITS is actively contributing to the creation of safer, more efficient, and sustainable transportation networks for the future. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until our next adventure, safe travels.